Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back, y'all. I've got a new unit for today, something I rarely do but I'm super excited about, from Luvme Hair. Y'all, this is a knotless boho braided wig. It's 26 inches HD lace that's super thin. I'm gonna give you guys some up close looks at it. Bleach knots already, it curls on the end. This is a human hair and synthetic blend. Y'all, this is a full lace braided wig, so you've got plenty of styling options. It's not heavy. It's a breathable cap as well because it's just all lace, and it does come with the Invisi string for a nice and comfortable fit all the way around. So y'all, what I ended up doing was, because this lace is so thin, I just cut that little band off of my wig cap because you can see right through it. So after just cutting that band off, I just went on ahead and applied the wig as normal. It is a great fit, y'all, and I have a larger size head, so keep that in mind, and it fit pretty well. I will say the back it wasn't as flush as I would have wanted it to be, but overall I give it like a good A- as far as the fit goes, and that's really good in my opinion. So all I'm doing, y'all, is just taking off the lace, spraying some of my hairspray on, and just doing my normal meltdown routine. If you want to mainly wear this glueless, I would say at least spray a little bit of hairspray or something maybe on the ear tabs just to keep it in place. I think just popping it on and that's it is not going to hold this unit, just a FYI, but a little bit of hairspray like I'm doing will do the trick just fine. And it's not a hassle because the lace is so thin. And y'all, this meltdown, like my routine with this particular wig, took me like just a few minutes. It was not long or drawn out at all. And then after I finished doing that, I just touched up the lace a bit, finished taking off the lace in the back as well, and then I'm just going to move on to laying my baby hairs. And this wig comes with a very natural hairline, so if you just wanted to leave it as this, like right here, you could, but your hair is personal and it should be a reflection of you and your style, your taste, what you like. So if you like baby hair, go ahead and lay them like I'm doing right here. If you don't, just skip this part. But if you do decide to lay them, look at exactly what I'm doing. You want to make sure you hold the base of the braid and you just kind of lightly pull the hair out. Do not go tugging and yanking at these braids because more hair is going to come out and the braids are going to come undone. This is very easy to do. Just don't rush it, and then proceed to just lay your edges as normal. I just did a little bit of hair, like not a lot. I didn't go crazy with it because I wanted to keep the natural hairline. I wanted to show you guys exactly how it looks out the box, and just adding a little bit of hairs just to make it look a little bit more natural and more comfortable for me to wear. And yeah, again, this took no time, you guys. It's after this, I'm just going to add a little bit of mousse to the curls to really bring out these waves and curls within this hair, like the boho style. And then I'll show you some final looks at the end of this video. So as far as the foam goes, I'm using my Cream of Nature like curl enhancer, something along those lines. It's from the argan oil line, I believe, but anything that's going to that says enhancing curl, and also something that's light. That's why I say a foam or mousse will be just fine. I wouldn't do any gel with this. But y'all, this is what I wanted to tell you. I was on TikTok earlier today and I saw this thread about braided wigs. Oh, if I could just speak right. Braided wigs, y'all. And I didn't realize so many of y'all really love braided wigs. Of course, the discussion was some of them are not good. Some of them just don't look very good, but some of them do, like this one. I believe this is 180 density. And it's enough braids. It's not overdone. It's not too full. The lace is perfect. Just adding a little bit of bronzer on the hairline to make it all blend. And it just works. So yeah, I didn't realize so many of y'all really love them. This is a really good look for vacation. And here's just the final look. If you were just wearing it down, y'all, this should take you no more than 10 minutes to just pop on, lay your, edges, lay the wig, do your meltdown, whatever you're gonna do. And here you go. You've got a good summer look, especially if you don't want to deal with loose hair, but you still want that curly look. Y'all get what I'm trying to say? This is not going to require you to do much of anything, just adding a little bit of foam to bring out the curls and you are good to go. So my next two looks right here, y'all, is just if you want to do a half up, half down style, either just bringing all the hair back into a ponytail or even just two little braids in the front, just pull them to your face, just kind of switch it up. for my ladies who don't want to deal with any loose hair and want a kind of like an elegant style. I left the rest of this hair down, but I just did like a flat twist, just like kind of a flat twist, but just kind of twisted the front and then just put in a ponytail in the back, just kind of get it out my face. So if you've got an event, date night, weddings, you can pop this on and you can still look cute and elegant, you guys. Even in the summertime, you're not dealing with a whole bunch of hair. Like I said, it's a good amount of braids to curl ratio is absolutely perfect on this. And look how cute I look. You can't tell me I look cute. And then next, y'all, I'm gonna show you if you are a workout girl, you can easily pop a headband on this or put your clip in like I'm doing right here. You've got plenty of options, like I said. So clean around the house is actually what I was doing after I picked my son up. I will throw a clip in my head real quick, especially if I'm going to the rooftop to just hang out, have some cocktails, or if you're taking a walk, you know, you're working out, pop your headband on, or even throw it in a little loose bun like I'm doing right here, like in just a second. So y'all make sure you check the description box. I will have the exact link to this unit down there. Y'all let me know what you think. Would you try this unit? Would you try a braided wig? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Like, what's your take on it? Because I think this is probably one of the best I have seen, the best I have come into contact with. The hairline is impeccable. And because this unit is all braided up, y'all, wash day, whenever you get ready to wash your hair, if you're on vacation, should be super easy and really quick. And also the longevity on this unit should be really good because you're not really messing with it. You're not doing too much. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you got any questions, comments. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this as well. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.